Njalo sikomkele mbukeli ohlelweni lwakho ekhaya Jikelele ingqayizivele nengqophamlando yohlelo uqalileke unyaka kwabaningi abantu bayahlelela lo nyaka omunye ke usayibekile imali yokwenza lenazi license omunye njalo uyobhuka for ukuthi ayotesta maduze nje kugcweleke na kuma internet cafe abantu bayokwenza ama CV ukuze phela bafake icele endaweni ezahlukahlukene abanye njalo bayakhuphuka ke basuke emakhaya bazoza amatoho lapha ke eGoli wonke umuntu ufuna ukuqala ngegiyeli eliphezulu ke lonyaka sengathi nje konke enikuzamayo kungaba impumelelo phela esekufunayo ukuthuthuka empilweni hayi ke ukuba ngcono kunabanye igama lami nguNonqolo kwaMwalihle abangana limhlophe qwa intokazi ke yame ondini ngase sishaya umthetho sesifundazwe esidala angihambedwa ke ngihamba noNadia Morning Nadia I safila sidiphilile Nkosi nko enhloko insimbi yokuqala yenqubo mbukeli siyabulisa ngalensasa umhla wesithathu koyomqungu hayi ke namhlanje senza esazenzela ngakho igama kalokhu ndithetha oniphathela indaba ezinomdla kuluntu lonke eziquka ezishisa ibunzi ezemidlalo imoya ezulu njalo njalo elami igama nguNadia Dambuza wapha kwasomgxada mawethu basengalibazi sikhongozela nje wena sikuncazela ake sibheke indaba ehamba phambili ke kuleli hora. Senye besibala sabantu abashona ngesikhathi kuhlasela ikhukhula eMnambithi KwaZulu-Natal kanti imeya yaseMnambithi izokwethamela inkonzo yomngcwabo kwaMsimangu eRoosdorp namhlanje.
We need to deal with the syndicate, we need to deal with the kingpins that are really on this issue of illegal mining.
Uthinjwe iChrome eqokelela kwizigidi ezili-15 zerandi eGaphasha eLimpopo. Kuyaqhubeka ukuthungatha nokutakula izisulu zezikhukhula ezihlasele eMnambithi esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal enyakatho yesifundazwe ngosuku olwandulela uKhisimusi. Namhlanje imeya yaseMnambithi uZamasibisi izohambela umndeni wezinye zezisulu kwaMsimanga lapho kuzobe kufihlwa khona amanye amalungu omndeni aphangalala kulenhlekelele yokuhlasela kwezikhukhula.
Iphondo iKwaZulu-Natal lombethwe izanjonjo zemvula ngelixesha leholide ngempela veki yeChristmas imvula iye yayidliva kwindawo zephondo de yakhokhelela kwimphuphuma ezisule imiphefumulo ebalulwa kuma-23 kukhukhuliseke inhlaninge yemizi nendlela kwadaleka monakalo kwizakhiwo ezisiseko amaqelo hlangulo awalali buhlayo atyhutyha imilambo ekhangela imizimba yabantu abamkene emphuphuma. Imvula egalele izolo kummandla wedama eHenley iphuphumise imilambo kwakhukhuliseka imoto ebinabakhweli abathathu amapolisa athi asafumene imizimba emibini.
The bodies of 2 people who drowned when a car they were traveling in was swept away during heavy flooding on Sunday afternoon at any location in the Pesisap precinct were recovered on Monday, the 1st of January. A search team comprising members of the South African National Defence Force and community members located the vehicle at Henley Dam on Monday morning.
Izanuse zemo yezulu zithekelela intshizane ukuya kwizanjonjo ezinokhokhelela kwizikhukhula kwindawo zephondo iKwaZulu-Natal.
We do have an alert for severe thunderstorms, a weather level 2 for the western parts of KZN for tomorrow afternoon.
Inkonzo yemo yezulu ibongoza abaqhubi baqaphele ngakumbi xa benqumla ibroho kwimeko yemvula.
Ukanti kusenjalo ukhukhuliseko lubangelwe zizantyala zemvula lushiya konakele indlela kunye nebhlorho kummandla waseCoffee Bay emqanduli empuma koloni ibhlorho ekuphela kwayo kule ngingqi nesetyenziswa ngabahlali kwelwandle ukusuka edolophini ikhukhulisekile ngentseni yangomvulo ibhlorho yesibini le ukukhukhuliseka kule ngingqi kwisithuba esiphantsi konyaka.
Abazibonele ngamehlo nabebephangele ebusuku bathi khange uthathe xesha lide wagcwala qhu umlambo. Ezo zikhukhula ziye zadiliza ibhlorho yaseNenga edibanisa idolophu nolwandle.
Ngo-1 yaqalisa imvula kangibe nasiqapho sithe sizama uzovalela imoto yabe kusekuvela isikhukhula sabona into ba sesincedakala imoto sisasivalela imithi sesigada ke ngabantu babangawoli because abantu bayotyiwe bayalantuza kwabe sekunje.
Ukudilika kwale blorho ilahle kwenkulu kumashishini asekuhlaleni.
Iphazamisana neshishini lami enye into ndiqhamakele kweli shishini thengisa insimbi mina ayikho enye into enye ndijonge kwensimbi Ngoku xa ivaleke kanje ibhlorho okanye kunetha ndawulala ningatyanga.
Le block iyalungiswa ngabantu tena bayilungise bayitshifa kwale mvula yemka asiyazi uba singawela njani ke ngoku xa inje.
Iinkonzo zomasipala waseKing Sabatha Dalingebo ziye kuhlola ubuzaza bomonakalo. Ubugoxo bususiwe ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuhamba, kodwa izithuthi zona azikwazi kuwela.
We have arranged for a temporary measure that the technical services from our KS State municipality should come, and we approached them yesterday. They've been so quick. It's our approach that we should always be quicker in addressing the challenges that are affecting our communities.
Malunga nexesha kunyaka ophelileyo izikhukhula zonakalisa ibhlorho kwakule ndawo zatshabalalisa nesikolo samabanga aphakamileyo. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eCoffee Bay.
Imndeni eyakhele indawo okuhlasele kuyo imvula enamandla kwadeleka izikhukhula ePietersdorp eBloemfontein ithi iphoqa isimo ukuthi yamukele ukuthi amakhaya ayo asenamaxhaphuza amanzi angcolile ngaphakathi.
Homes waterlogged. This is what this family of 5 is faced with every rainy season. They wait for the yard to dry up before draining water out of their house, which can take up days or weeks, and this has ruined their house. 33-year-old Nontutuzelo Masisi says they are living here because they have no alternative accommodation. The mother of 3 also lives with her pensioner parent.
As long as there is water outside, we know this is the life that we will be subjected to. If it gets hot and gets dry outside, then we will be able to clean, although it will take longer for us to remove the water.
A humanitarian organization says some houses are not habitable. After assessment, the organization has recommended draining of the water from the houses and graveling of the roads to avoid future flooding.
For humanitarian relief, based on the conditions that they're staying in at the moment, I think as soon as they have been assisted by the municipality, will then bring the humanitarian relief that includes food parcels, blankets and mattresses. But for now, we're still waiting because, for health reasons, we can't be bringing food or clean material in conditions like this.
Now, Metro has assured residents that resources have been put aside to assist, and Metro's plan will be reviewed to enable it to act swiftly.
So the issue of Pietersdorp, yes, it's a problem, and we have started assisting some of the households there, and those that are currently not, that we haven't received any help. They'll definitely be getting help. We're coming to them. We have involved all stakeholders, including the province, in making sure that we assist during this time.
Residents complain that they are emotionally and financially drained. Makhala Masiteng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.
Ayaphokoka amazwi ovelwano emva kokusweleka kwetshantliziyo lomzabalazo kunye nomthwebuli wemifanekiso uGqirha Peter Magumane nobeneminyaka engama-91 ubudala othulela umnqwazi ngomsebenzi wakhe wokuthatha imifanekiso encomekayo ngexesha lengcinezelo. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa kunye neminye imibutho yezopolitiko inike imbeko kweli qala.
Ubomi obuphilwe kakuhle nangomzekelo litshone ilanga kuGqirha Peter Magumane obeneminyaka engama-91 izolo. Uthulelwe umnqwazi ngendima wayidlalayo ngexesha lengcinezelo. Lo makhwekhwetha womthwebuli mifanekiso ebengomnye wamatshantliziyo angayilwelanga ngezigalo nje kuphela inkululeko yeli, kodwa nangomsebenzi wakhe nowawuboniswa kwihlabathi jikelele imeko yayimaxongo kweli loMzantsi Afrika ngelo xesha. Abo basondeleyo kuye bathethe kamnandi ngaye.
He was an incredibly disciplined man, incredibly disciplined. He didn't rest on his laurels. He was hardworking. His career was first and foremost his passion, but he also had an incredible sense of humor.
Umpapashi wakhe uthi ngeentsuku zakhe zokugqibela uMagumane ebengaphathekanga kakuhle yimeko emaxongo kweli loMzantsi Afrika.
He was, like many of his contemporaries, worried and a bit saddened at the level of decay.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa naye ugcwale emswaneni esithi umsebenzi walompondo zihlanjiwe uyakuhlala kwincwadi zembali zeli. Umbutho olawulayo nawo ugqithise amazwi ovelwano kusapho lwakwaMagubane.
As a renowned veteran photojournalist and passionate anti-apartheid activist, Dr. Magubane's lens captured and documented the raw emotions, stories and pivotal moments that defined our nation's history.
Nombutho weAZAPO nawo udlulise amazwi okuhlonipha.
He captured through his lens the Black Consciousness Movement-led June 16 uprising, and thus exposing the illegitimate apartheid regime and its repressiveness to the whole world.
Usapho luthi uyile umtho omkhulu kwaye ushiye isikroba isikhulu. uMagubane ubizelwe ngasentla elele izolo emva kokugula ixesha elide. Ebeza kuba neminyaka engama-92 kweziveki ezimbini zizayo. Sithi silejelo lala ngoxolo Jiyane Nkomose Sothole.
Umndeni wentombazane neminyaka eyi-14 ephakathi kwabantu abahlanu abadutshulwe bashona ngosuku lukaNcibijane eSoshanguve enyakatho eGauteng usola amaphoyisa ngokuba mdibi munye neyigilamkhuba ukuthalalisa lesihlakalo.
Uvulo lwethu siwela ominyaka eli-14 ugetyengwe emva nje kweyure kungenwe kunyaka omtsha. Yena nomalume wakhe uMphorhubudlo bebephakathi kweqela elidutyulwe ngabantu bebexhobe bafohlela. Esisitwakumbe siqaqambise imeko yolwaphulo-mthetho eyondele eSoshanguve Block P.
They've got 331 cases that are active that they are working on. I mean, to have almost 331 cases in this area alone, it's an indication that we need to completely overhaul how we are policing this community.
Usapho lwale ntombazana igetyengiweyo luthi lucinga ukufuduka lukhalale indawo yalo luthi alukhuselekanga. Amapolisa akhogene nemiguvela.
As a community, sometimes we tend to think that the police are actually working with the gangsters. I will give you the scenario that I'm sure of the ones that happens. We gave the statement yesterday. Yesterday morning, my younger sister gave the statement. Within 2 hours before the police could move on that scene, already the statement that we gave was going viral. We received it via WhatsApp.
Kukhwetywe iHawks zizokuncedisa kuphandwa ngesisehlo nanjengoko omnye wamaxhoba ibilipolisa.
One was pleased that the police imposed a 72-hour deadline that they normally do on such matters. On the basis of that deadline, they've made a major breakthrough. 2 of the suspects were arrested.
Abahlali bathi baphila ubomi bentshontsho indawo yabo iphansi kolona hlaselo ukanti abarhanelwa babini kulindleke bavele enkundleni ngolwesine kule iveki.
Kuthinjwe imfumba yesimbiwa iChrome eqikelela kwi-15 lezigidi zerandi kwilali yaRhaphasha eBurgersfort eLimpopo. Isimbiwa sithinjwe njengenxalenye yephulo lamapolisa nomkhosi wokhuselo weli lokulwa nokombiwa kwemigodi ngokungekho semthethweni. Eli phulo lijolise ekupheliseni umsebenzi wokomba okungekho mthethweni kwisithili sasesikhukhune.
Iphulo lokuphelisa nya ukombiwa kwemigodi ngokungekho mthethweni. Amadoda nabasetyhini namalungu omkhosi wokhuselo weli baye kwemigodi eyombiwa ngokungekho mthethweni. Sekubanjwe abarhanelwa abali-19.
We need to deal with the syndicate. We need to deal with the kingpins that are really on this issue of illegal mining so that we discourage. We need to close down and shut down the market that is available for what we see happening here.
Isebe lezezimbiwa namandla lithi lukwiphulo lokuqinisekisa ukuba yonke imingxuma iyalungiswa ukuqinisekisa ukhuseleko lwabahlali. Babongoze abahlali ukuba bafake izicelo zokufumana amaphepha-mvume okusebenza kwimigodi.
It's easy to find a hole like this which does not have an owner, but people should come to the office. Our nearest office is in Limpopo, is in Polokwane in town, but they can also apply online.
But if people don't know how to apply online, they can come to our offices in Polokwane for assistance to apply. We encourage people to apply and not to conduct any illegal activities.
Abahlala abaninzi kulommandla bayathandabuza ukuthetha malunga noku, abanye baxhamla ngendlela ezithile kwimali ezifunyenwe ngokombiwa kwemigodi ngokungekho mthethweni. Angaphaya kwamakhulu amathathu amajoni athe atyalwa kulo lonke laseLimpopo njengenxalenye kamongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ekuthumeleni amajoni angaphezu kwama-3,000 ukulwa nokwembiwa kwemigodi ngokungekho mthethweni kuzwelonke.
Okwamanje ke mbukeli ake sithi nje ke siphosa amehlo ke sibone ukuthi kumi kanjani lapha kwisimo sezulu. Inkosi ngohlala nathi usabukele inkqubo yakho ethanda kunene iEkhaya Jikelele. Ukanti ke xa sihlabela mgama kubhubha abantu abathandathu kwingozi eyenzeke ku-N2 phakathi komthatha nedutywa eMpuma Koloni kutshanje. Kutyholwa ukuba imoto yohlobo lweToyota Fortuner ibikhwele abantu abathandathu ingqubane neFord Kuga ebikhwele abantu abahlanu. Isithethi sezothutho uNathi Bhinqose uthi bobahlanu abebekhwele basoleke kwindawo yoxhwayelo. Ukanti ke uthetha banzi ngalomba sinxibelelana naye kaloku uNathi Bhinqose isithethi sezothutho ephondweni. Unathi mandikubulise ndikwamkele enkqubeni ngalentsasa. Enkosi kakhulu, masijonge le ngozi yaka N2. Sicela usichazele ngakumbi ngale ngozi kwenzeke ntoni kanye kanye?
Zizithuthi eziningi esitheza hlithana kwenkonzo zegusha phaya kulandlela u-N2 phakathi kwedutywa nomthatha. Njengoba sokushilo ke ibinabantu abahlanu eKhugalelo kambe basebhozo kambe bathandathu kufortunately basoleke bonke kwindawo yexhwayelo bekhuk logama kusoleke omnye kwindawo yexhwayelo apha kufortune yasesithandathu ngenjongo elikhulu ke kwizinto zembali umntu koko ababini bathe banikezela sebesesibhedlele yalithatha ngenani yakunyusa libeka kwisibhozo sabantu abathe basoleka kwingozi logama bathathu yes besafumana unyango esibhedlele. Sinathemba ke lokuba ngabana bawubambelele bomini ngoba sebimbi kakhulu le ngozi. Eyona ngozi khe yasuniphefumula abantu abaninzi siseloko siphethelele iphulo likafika usaphila lalo nyaka ngoba ngaphambili beakho ngozi likhe yasuba naphezu kwemiphefumulo yabantu abathandathu uzawuthi kangoku until nina yalefortuna nekhuga.
Ungathi mhlambi before kwenzeke le collision bekusenzeka ntoni be-overtake omnye okanye mhlambi ibisispeed kwenzeke ntoni uphando luthini ngoku nje?
Ezo inkcukacha zizawuvela xa selekuqukunjelwe uphando kodwa ke i-head-on collisions ubukhulu becala zalathi bangabana omunye wabaqhubi kwicala elingelilo lendlela logama omunye ethe ebehamba kucala elililo wathiwa ke wazibhaliwa kwingozi engathanda bekade yayenza ngelishozi elikhulu ke kusoleka abantu kuzithuthi zozibili yona ngusebenzihlabi khona kubasebenzi bendlela bahlali bendlela ngayo lonke ixesha babe nomonde ezindleleni umuntu anga-overtake xa kungakhuselekanga ukwenza njalo so sisaqhuba ke lokho ekhwela ebantwini bangabana abancedisana nathi ngoba i-head-on collisions ziyayisokile imiphefumulo yabantu amangcwaba agcwele ngabantu abasandla amazimba ngenxa yokuqhuba ngaphandle kwenkathalo ukuthi kukhophelele kwi-head-on collisions.
Njema uthetha ngekhwelo unathi siyayazi bana phambi kokuba kuqale iholide bekukho i-road blocks o-arrive alive i-campaigns into ezinjalo ngoba abantu bazabuyela ezidolophini babuyele emisebenzini ingaba mhlawumbe sizaphinda sibone into ezinjalo nakweli xesha.
Ngokuqinisekileyo siyazi bangabana umthamo wesithuthi uzawuthi funqa ezindleleni kusukela ngento lafeki siya kuyo ukonjenjeya ukuya kwathuba lokuvulwa kwezikolo njengoba abantu bebuya kwindawo zabo zempangelo so amagosa ethu adeploy ngobuninzi kwezamankelo sikulindele bona sixakeke bona nohlobo ezondlela kwezigrupu R61 osidibanisa nephondo lentshona koloni through ladolophu kuthiwa i-Aberdeen nogama u-N2 naye nendlela sathi sizijonga sidibanisa kwaliqala lisentshona nentshona koloni through i-Garden Road logama kwalifaka lisempuma sidibanisa na-KZN so zindlela sazibeke esweni kakhulu M6 osidibanisana lamaphondo ngenhla kuqukogoli o-Freystad nezindawo ze-mines sizabize zibeke esweni banamahlobo ngoba asinqweneli ukubona nami umuntu ozawuthi atakale kwezini kodwa siyafuna ukuhlaba ikhwelo ukuba sebenzela ndlela ngokukodwa abakhulu ukuba nabo bathatha uxanduva baqinisekise bangabana bangamagosa kwiziqu zabo bangalindi ukubona i-traffic officers uze benze into eyiyo.
Ninalo inani eliphumileyo labantu abasolekileyo ephondweni ngeli xesha leholide?
Umcimbi wamanani ngumcimbi osingathwa ngoxabiso kuzwelonke kodwa ke ngingatsho ngaphandle bangabana sesifikile ngoku ngelishozi elikhulu kukhulu kubantu abathe basoleka besinganqineli babe njalo ke kodwa ke into ethe ababantu yasehleni funeka siyamkeleke kodwa sisebenze namagumbi uqinisekisa bangabana amanani awabe mabi ngaphezu koba sele emabi okuzokuthi kangoku.
Sibone ingozi ezimbi kakhulu ngaphezulu kweziveki ziphelileyo ezenzeke ezithe zathatha imiphefumulo yabantu apho eMpuma Koloni ngathi mhlambe abaqhubi bephondo laseMpuma Koloni abakhathale ezindleleni okanye iphikanye ingxaki izindlela ezimbi.
Andingatsho bangabana abaqhubi abakhathale ezindleleni baninzi kakhulu abaqhubi abayithobelayo imithetho baninzi kakhulu abaqhubi abasuka kwindawo basuka kuzo bayofika kwindawo baya kuzo ngokukhuselekileyo aba bantu bathatha i-spotlight esengaka ngezingozi ngabantu abambalwa kakhulu it's just a fraction of i-drivers esingena kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni so kufuneka bethulele ulwazi sibaqabele izandla abaqhubi bephondo leMpuma Koloni nabaMzantsi Afrika bonke ukubanzi singavumeli abantu abambalwa abafuna bangumthetho kwiziqu zabo bagqwalise umsebenzi wamhlosekwenziwa ngabasebenzi bentela kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni abo ke bafuna ukuba ngumthetho ezandleni kubo sibajongile sifuna ukuqinisekisa abantu bazajongana nengalo yomthetho kodwa baqhuba bephansi kwembembele bazotywala abanethamsanqa mhlawumbe abayiqondi loo nto xa behleka ngabo bathi babanjwe ngamakhonsendleni ngoba zininzi ii-families mthetho nawe nje ezinqwenela bangabani ezilungiselela imingcwabo kungenjalo ezizilele zihlobene zalamanye ezinqwenela bangabana kunga abantu babebanjiwe ngamapolisa kunoba bayogaqelela ezingozi yona nto soloko sithi ababanjiweyo ngabona banethamsanqa ngoba bazobathamsanqa baqala begaqelela ezingozi nezithi zisobile imiphefumulo yabo neyabanye abantu kungenjalo zibashiye begugekile ngokwemsebenzi ngokwasemzimbeni so bayobanjwa ligosa ndlela for ukuqhuba phansi kwempembelelo zotywala liqhawe isandla libulale kakhulu ngoba mhlawumbe ngabantu bekusindisekile enkulunywa kakhulu.
Unathi sisathetha ngabantu ababanjiweyo nabathe baphulukana nemiphefumulo yabo. Ndithanda uqwalasela lo mba weteksi ngoba ixesha lelininzi iba ziiteksi neebhasi eziye zibe sezingozini kakhulu. Ingabe kube njalo nakwezi holide esigqitha kuzo?
Yeah, masibothulela umqondo abantu beteksi nebhasi. Ezingozi zithetha sokumiphefumulo yabantu abaninzi. Neshina itu sithetha ngayo ngoku ibandakanye SUVs ezimbili ebezina-6 ngaphambili ibizebhaki. Akho teksi ethetha abantu abanyeka kwizingozi of insignificance. And into esifuyelayo kakhulu ngoba isithetha umkawundo wonke ithetha igcwala abantu abaninzi, so ingozi enye iyakwazi ukusokumiphefumulo yabantu abaninzi kakhulu. So kanti sibone ingozi ezininzi ezisokumiphefumulo ethetha abantu abaninzi esithetha umkawundo wonke kuquka ibhasikoti neteksi.
Gogo uthi amagosa ezomthetho akhona ezindleleni sithetha nje?
Ngoqinisekileyo sosele khona wakhanga indawo besoloko khona right through i-festive season besuka shifteka kwezo ndawo adingeka kuzo ngamandla njengexesha lekunye nalapho badinga kakhulu indawo ezisemanqameni ngoba njengoba abantu bebuyela kwindawo zabo zempangelo kufuneka babuyele because uqabo wona bendlela balete ngolona hlobo abakhanga bayindawo bakhona basezohlala bekhona ngalo lonke ixesha le-festive season ukuthela kulo ukuya kwenye i-festive season elandelayo.
Xa sesigqiba ke Unathi ungathi mhlambi siyabona uba bekukhona ezantyalantyala zemvula ingaba nazo bezinegalelo kwezi ngozi zithe zehla?
Angekho ususe ifuthe lemozulu kwingozi ngoba ukhona qala ingozi udla ngoba zizinto ezigcwele ezithizi idibane nte-blood pressure bikhokelela kwingozi le. So yeah, umcimbi wemvula ngoba izindlela zenazo zibezibilizi kube nzima ukubona kwezinye indawo. So iyo loo nto sihlaba khona kubasebenzisi badlala abahlala emifundleni ngalo xesha babe namonde kodwa imeko yezulu xa injalo and ingxaki nemvula intoba kuba nzima nokuba nazo i-roadblocks ngokupheleleyo ngoba ukwenza i-roadblock kwimeko zemvula kuphela kuba ingozi nabo abantu uzamlomisa. Xa njalo besiye sinyanzeleka ukuba ngabana sibonakale nje ezindleleni kwi-radius ye-kilometers ezingamashumi 40 kilometers ukuba sinamagosa athi abonakale ze abe ke baqhuba ngokungekho emthethweni bephula imithetho ngokubonakalayo udile nabo bexesha.
Unathi mandibulile kakhulu ngexesha lakho ngalentsasa sithi nxe kwabo bathe baswelekelwa ngamalungu efamily zabo. Enkosi kakhulu.
Enkosi kakhulu.
Lo ke mbukeli besithetha naye benguNathi Bhinqose othethelela isebe lezothutho eMpuma Koloni. Sincokola naye kaloku ngezehlo ze-accident ebesenzeke ku-N2 phakathi koMthatha neDutywa apho ke kwaseleka khona abantu abasibhozo. Okwangoku masithi qhwi evenkileni siyabuya.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli ekhaya Jikelele sibonga kakhulu ngokuthi ke usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Mbukeli ukwedlula emhlabeni kwenkakha yentatheli engumthwebuli ithombe ubaba uPeter Magubane kuvele kwakhumbuza abaningi ikhathi lapho uhulumeni esalwa nombuso wobandlululo. Ubaba Magubane ungomunye walabo abathwebula ithombe owawuthi umuyibuka ufikelwe usizi nenyembezi ngendlela ubandlululo olwalunonya ngalo ebantwini. Njengamanje ke sixhumana noqweqwe lwentatheli uThami Mazwayi. Baba uMazwayi asikubingelele sikwamukele ohlelweni ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonge nje kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje ekseni.
Sanibonani sisi nababukeli benu.
Sithi nje tutu kuwena baba Mazwayi ngokwedlula emhlabeni ke kukaBaba uPeter Magubane uqweqwe lomthwebuli ithombe lapha eNingizimu Afrika.
Yes, ubaba Magubane he really was an epitome of good journalism during the liberation struggle. His career was synonymous with the struggle of the people of South Africa. So tunabanye sinenhlanhla ukuthi sike sasebenza naye although yena waqala long before mina ngena lapha ku journalism. his pictures told the story to both the local viewers and international community of the horrors of apartheid.
Yebo baba Mazwai, cha umsebenzi kababa Peter Magubane impela ubumangaza kakhulu, ubomuhle kakhulu, isimangaliso. Yena ke njengomuntu nje ungamchaza uthi ubaba Magubane ube umuntu onjani?
Oh, he was a very humble and but outgoing person. He used to interact a lot nabantu ebesebenza nabo, to exchange views. He was very, very helpful. As a because I want good to sebenze kahle ngoba bese we're on the same side. They were on the other side, but umsebenzi wethu was to tell the world what is really happening. And what Tina Banye Besipala, yena ebethatha izithombe, and lezo zithombe zazikhuluma with more than each picture was worth more than 1,000 words in terms of describing the horrors as yombuso wobandlululo.
Baba Mazwai kwakunjani nje ngalezi ikhathi zobandlululo uma ngabusho ukuthi wawubhala yena ke thobula izithombe ingcindezana ngaphansi kwayo mhlawumbe ningathi nanikhululeke kangakanani ukuthi nikwazi ukuthatha lezi izithombe nikwazi futhi nokubhala indaba mayelana nobandlululo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngalezo ikhathi vele abantu ababetshengisa emphakathini waphesha ngisho nasemphakathini waphesha welwandle betshengisa ngesimo salapha eNingizimu Afrika bebethela ukucindezeleka abanye baze bafake nokufakwa ezitokisini ejele.
Ngaleso sikhathi uhulumeni namapolisa bebengafuni ukuthi kwaziwe ukuthi benzani kubantu ababambileyo and abanye abantu removers abantu abesuswana babehlala khona bese kuma homelands nakwezinye indawo. Umbuso wawungafuni ukuthi lezo zinto zingene ephepheni, so intatheli nama-photographers njalo nje sasiphila under constant surveillance. Sibanjwa sifakwa detention without trial. Abanye bebhenishwa. uPeter Magubane wahlala 550 days I think esitokisini engachajwanga lutho. It was just detention. Abanye after that wabhenishwa. Abanye nabo babhenishwa, abanye bebe-detention, abanye besetrongweni begwetshiwe for many offenses that had to do nomsebenzi wabo.
Ngiyasho phela kuyachaza ukuthi impela hayi kwakudingeka kumuntu onesibindi sesabekayo ngalezi ekhathi uma ngabe uzothwebula noma ubhaleke izindaba okusho ukuthi ubaba Magubane ngempela naye wayenesibindi.
Oh yes, hayi isibindi sakhe wayenaso. Ngaleso sikhathi abantu ama-photographers odumo ebekhona abafana njengoPeter Magubane, o-Alf Khumalo, o-Ralph Ndawo, uSam Zima nabanye futhi sengikhohlwa amagama ngoba iminyaka nakimi seyihambile. But uPeter Magubane sonke siyamkhumbula ngoba waseqedela eba yi-photographer ye-president yethu yokuqala uBaba Mandela.
Baba uMazwai ngiyabona ukuthi noma mhlawumbe wena ubona ukuthi iyayisebenzela yini indlela yokusakaza igameko zobandlululo ke emazweni aphesheya kwelwandle ngesikhathi kuliwa nobandlululo izintatheli ngoba ukuze nomphakathi international community iyazi ngokwenzeka eNingizimu Afrika kwakudingeka bona abantu abanezibindi abafana nawe baba Mazwai abafana nabo baba Peter Magubane. Siyazi ukuthi siyabona ukuthi ukwenza lo msebenzi ikhona mhlawumbe okwasiza nokuthi umphakathi namanye amazwe akwazi ukuthi eseke iNingizimu Afrika.
Yeah, but that's why that's why besinama organization efana njenge Union of Black Journalists, Writers Association, Union of South Africa, Media Workers Association. Lokho besikhuluma khona ngeisimo sinjani, funeka thina senze njani, and abanye bethu bebehamba overseas sikhuluma nama-audience overseas ukuthi kwenzekani. But the powerful images beziphuma khona lapha ekhaya bekhishwa abantu abafana njengo Peter Makubane, for instance. I mean, ukubulawa kwabantwana ngo-1976 and ngo-1985 ubaba uMakubane bebehambela phambili bekhipha loloma image both locally and internationally.
Baba Mazwai-ke ngabe ubona ukuthi ubaba uMagubane mhlawumbe uhlonishwe ngokwenele yini lapha eNingizimu Afrika njengoqweqwe lentatheli?
Well, I mean, I think that he did get the recognition, but I think that something must be done for all the journalists and photographers of the time, where some documentary must be done to show what they did under very difficult circumstances. But obviously, that is another story. In that case, Zanamsanje, as far as Jenga and Ibona, they've got a new environment. What can they do to make sure that media under these trying times, unemployment and inequality?
Baba Mazwai usakhuluma ngazo ke izikhathi ezinzima ke njengamanje ukhona omunye ke waphawula lapha ngokudlula kaBaba uPeter Magubane ephawula ngokuthi ena ubenganeme neze ngendlela isimo sezwe esingaso njengamanje engabe kuthini okwena ukuphawula ikakhulukazi njengabantu abalwa kanzima besebenzisa ukubhala abanye besebenzisa ukuthwebula izithombe ukuze iNingizimu Afrika izokwazi ukuthola inkululeko ukuthi mase sitholele leyo nkululeko engabe uthini umuzwa wenu ngesimo esithola siyizwe sikuso njengamanje?
Well, I did not see all of us are busy saying which men what our sacrifices it were for what were we sacrificing if at all isimo sibutshaya ngalendlela esiyiyo namhlanje where there's so much poverty, there's unemployment, there's inequality. Yes, there have been changes. We can't deny that. But isimo sabantu abamnyama siyakhala sesipile sikhale because we sacrificed a lot ukuthi abantu bethu baphile impilo engcono.
Ungathi nje ke Baba uMagubane kulezi intatheli ke ezikhona nezisakhula njengamanje yini mhlawumbe singayifunda kuBaba uMagubane?
The determination to do your work to the best of your ability, not to want any fear or favor, but to commit yourself to saying, this is what South Africa wants me to do, and this is what I am going to do, come hell or high water. That determination is required from today's journalists in as much as it was required from the journalists of yesterday.
Sibonga kakhulu ke Baba uMazwai ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje ekseni baba sikufisele nje nosuku oluhle. Sibonge kakhulu futhi nangamagalelo neqhaza nalibamba ngalezi zikhathi ukuze thina njengamanje sithole lenkululeko esesi enjoya ngalezi zikhathi. Sibonga kakhulu baba ube nosuku oluhle.
Okay, nathi sinetha ama messages asoshiwa kuthumela kwindodakazi yakhe uFikile Magubane nomndeni wakwaMagubane.
Sibonge kakhulu lowo ke mbukeli bekubaba uThami Mazwai uyiqweqwe lentatheli besixoxisana naye mayelana kwedlule emhlabeni koqweqwe lomthwebula izithombe ubaba uPeter Magubane. Sothi quke ezitolo siyabemva komzuzwana.
Singakuhlala nathi mbukeli usabukela inkqubo yakho ethanda kunene Ekhaya Jikelele Nox phambi koba siye evenkileni besithetha notata uThami Mazwai sithetha ngamagqalo omzabalazo. Ixesha elininzi ke siye sicinga amagqalo omzabalazo ngaba babesilwa besiye emfazweni okanye aba babebanjiwe eRobben Island kanti baninzi abantu abathathe inxaxheba empumelelweni yethu. Ikakhulukazi nje ngoba siyazi ukuthi enye into enkulu ingxenye enkulu yenza ukuthi izwe lethu lithole inkululeko kwakuxhaswa namazwe aphesha kwezilwandle amanye amazwe
so for lawo mazwe ukuthi akwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzeka la eNingizimu Afrika kwakudingeka obaba abafana nobaba uPeter Magubane obaba abafana nobaba uMazwayi njalo esibonga kakhulu ngomsebenzi wabo omuhle abawenza ukuthi namhlanje sitho nathi sesikhululekile lapha eNingizimu Afrika siphinde sifiseke nokuthi inkosi yami sengathi nobaba Magubane alale ngokuphumula balale ngokuphumula kubhlungu kodwa ukuthi umuntu kuthiwa ugcine uhambile kodwa inhliziyo ibingekho bengayibuhlungu ngenxa yesimo sokubona ukuthi hawu ngathi salwa kangaka njengoba besho nje ubaba Mazwayi ukuthi wahlala ejele 550 days engayanga nokuyenqakile kuyothethwa icala lakhe ngenxa nje ukuthi wayethatha lezi izithombe bengafuni ukuthi ibonakale kwamanye amazwe so ke mbukeli njengamanje ke ake sithi nje ke siphosa amehlo sibheke ukuthi kumi kanjani lapha kwisimo sezulu.